हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज योर कॉमर्स फ्रेंड सीए योगेश पंचाक्षी। आज हम यहाँ पे मिले हैं विद अ वेरी क्लियर मोटिव कि हमें रिवीजन करनी है बहुत कम समय में और एग्जैक्टली बेस्ट क्वालिटी पे फॉर इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स। जनरली कंपनी अकाउंट्स कहने के बाद इशू ऑफ शेयर्स और इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स में से इशू ऑफ शेयर्स पे ध्यान जाता है, इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स थोड़ा इग्नोर हो जाता है। तो चलिए आज हम इस छोटे से वीडियो में रिविजन करेंगे इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स की। तो शुरुआत करते हैं। बेसिकली डिबेंचर्स होते क्या है? डिबेंचर इज एक्चुअली अ लोन टेकन फ्रॉम जनरल पब्लिक। जैसे हम बैंक से लोन लेते हैं वैसे ही जनरल पब्लिक से लोन लेते हैं, उस पर हमें फिक्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट देना होता है और उसको एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम स्पैन के बाद हमें रिडीम करना है, मतलब रीपेमेंट करना है। तो हमारा इश्यू है कि हाउ टू गिव द जर्नल एंट्रीज फॉर इट। तो मैंने इसके लिए टेबल बनाया है। देखिए टेबल आपको बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल रहेगा ऐसा मुझे लगता है। लेट्स सी, मैंने अलग अलग सिचुएशंस बनाई है। फॉर एग्जांपल पहली सिचुएशन ए लिमिटेड है जहां पे डिबेंचर्स इशू कर रहे हैं, उसकी फेस वैल्यू है 2 लाख और हमें ये नहीं दिया है कि रिडीमेबल एट व्हाट है, बट इट इज इशूड एट पार। इसका मतलब है 2 लाख के डिबेंचर्स आप 2 लाख पे ही इशू कर रहे हो और रिडम्पशन के बारे में कुछ नहीं दिया। तो बेसिकली वी नीड टू गिव 2 जर्नल एंट्रीज फॉर इट। पहली एंट्री होती है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट और सेकंड एंट्री होती है डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट टू 6% डिबेंचर्स। 6% इज द इंटरेस्ट रेट, लेकिन आप कंबाइन एंट्री भी दे सकते हो बैंक टू 6% डिबेंचर्स। सेकंड सिचुएशन देखिए, 3 लाख के डिबेंचर्स है, फेस वैल्यू 10% प्रीमियम पे इशू हुए हैं, मतलब 330 का कलेक्शन है, रिडम्पशन मालूम नहीं। तो सिंपल एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, जितने पैसे आए 3,30,000 to 6% debentures. Debentures are always created at face value 3 lakh. So the difference will go to securities premium. Then comes 5 lakh rupees debentures issued at 10% discount by C Limited. Third situation. Now you will get 4 lakh 50,000 redemption, nothing is given. So debit what comes in bank account debit amount received 450. Again 6% debentures face value 5 lakh. So you have suffered a loss of 50,000 discount on debentures. Debit all expenses and losses. Next situation, D Limited 4 lakh rupees face value issued at par and redeemable at par. Now it is clearly given at what amount you are going to repay it or redeem it after a few years. But as it is at par, nothing to pay extra, simply ignore. Entry will be bank account debit to 6% debentures. Simple entry for issuing the debenture. Next situation, E Limited issued debentures of 3 lakh at par and redeemable at 10% discount. So you are going to gain 30,000 in future. But conservatism principle says if it is future gain, simply ignore. So entry just for the issue of debenture, bank to debentures, face value 3 lakh. Then comes next situation, 7 lakh rupees debentures issued at par but redeemable at premium. It means you are going to make the repayment at 7 lakh 70,000, 70,000 extra. It's a future loss. You will have to book it immediately. How to record it? I will give you a simple hint. Record the entry for issue first, that is bank account debit to 6% debentures issued at par. So give this entry keeping 2 lines blank in between, and thereafter give the entry or make the provision for loss on issue of debenture. 70,000 is your loss. You got 7 lakh you are making, or we should say face value is 7 lakh, you are going to make a repayment 770. 70,000 is extra paid, loss on debenture issue account debit to provision for redemption premium. It's a provision made for future loss. So this entry is to be added, which is given in red color, only when there is redemption at premium. Then comes the next situation, 8 lakh rupees debentures issued at discount, redeemable at par. So now you are not going to pay anything extra above face value. So you got 720 against 8 lakh, give the simple entry, bank account debit 720 to debentures face value 8 lakh, discount 80,000. Next situation, 3 lakh rupees debenture issued at 10% discount, 2 lakh 70,000, but 20% discount is there. So it is to be redeemed at discount. So it's a future gain. Conservatism principle says ignore future gain. Simply give the entry for bank account debit to debentures. Difference amount 30,000 is your loss, discount debited. Then comes I Limited, 4 lakh rupees debenture issued at 10% discount. So 360 you will get, but you are going to make the repayment at 20% premium. 20% is calculated always on face value. So 480 is the redemption amount. It means you are going to suffer the loss. So firstly, give the entry. It's a double loss situation now. Give the entry for issue of debentures first, bank account debit, discount on debenture debit, keep 2 lines blank to 6% debentures. And then record the provision, that is 80,000 you are going to pay extra above your face value. So 80,000 loss on debenture to provision for redemption premium. Of course, in some textbook, you will find that both these amounts are recorded as loss. That is also fine. Otherwise, you can record discount and loss separately. So this special entry is to be given only when it is redeemable at premium. Let's see the next situation. 5 lakh rupees debentures issued at 10% premium, redeemable at par. It means you are not going to pay anything extra. Give a normal entry, bank debit to debentures, extra amount 50,000 goes to premium. Then 8 lakh rupees debentures, 10% premium you are issuing. So 8 lakh 80,000 and you are going to redeem it at 20% discount. It means you are going to gain in future gain, ignore. So give the normal entry, bank to debentures, difference gain premium. The last most interesting situation, 6 lakh rupees issued at 10% premium, redeemable at 20% premium. Now in this case, when it is redeemable at premium, you have to give the special entry. But before that, give the normal entry for issue of debentures, that is bank account debit to 6% debenture, extra gain goes to security premium. And now you said you are going to pay 1,20,000 extra. So it will be recorded like this. Loss on debentures account debit 1,20,000, that is 20% of 6 lakh face value to provision for redemption premium. In short, we have seen 12 situations here till now. In short, whenever you are going to make the repayment at premium, then only you have to give this special journal entry. Okay, you can call it as special masala. Now let's go for some different situations like debentures issued for consideration other than cash. Consideration means something received in return. When you are not getting cash, maybe you are giving the debentures against machinery, furniture, like that. So here you purchased a machinery for 6 lakhs. So machinery account debit to seller, called as vendor, debit what comes in, credit the giver. And instead of cash, you gave 12% debentures to vendor. So vendor account debit to 12% debenture, 6 lakh. Then you purchased a machinery for 8 lakh, again machinery to vendor 8 lakh, but now you gave the debentures of 8 lakh 20,000. So vendor account debit, he was claiming 8 lakh, but you gave the debenture of 820. It means your debenture of 820 are valued at 8 lakh. 20,000 is your loss, discount on debentures. Then X Limited issued purchased a machinery, again machinery to vendor 6 lakh, and now you settled it against 5 lakh 40,000 debenture. Means your debenture of 5 lakh 40,000 are valued at 6 lakh. It's a gain, it's a premium. So debit the receiver, vendor account debit 6 lakh, to debentures face value 540, gain 60,000 on credit side. So these are all the situations we have seen, and there is one more situation when the debentures are given as a collateral security. That means when you give the debentures not as against the cash, but you are not even issuing it immediately, it is to be given as a collateral security. That means it's a secondary security given, and against which you don't take any cash. For example, you applied for a building loan and the loan is sanctioned 10 lakh, but it is against building. Building is a primary security, but they want, that is the bank need some more security. So you gave them blank debenture certificates in their custody. It is not issued today. It is given in their custody. You said, if I am not able to repay the loan, then just sell out the building. And if there is any deficiency in cash, then issue the debentures to collect that cash. So it is not an event. Sorry, it's not a transaction. It's an event. You are just handing over blank debenture certificates to them. So no journal entry for it. So I repeat, whenever you are issuing the debentures for the as a collateral security, so there is no journal entry to be given, or you can give a dummy entry. And what is that dummy entry? The dummy entry can be when we issue the debentures. So debentures issued as a collateral security. So either there will be no entry. Simply you have to write no entry. It's a event, not a transaction. You're handing over blank certificates to the bank which are not issued right now. Otherwise, you can give the entry. If you have issued the debentures, your entry should have been bank account debit to, let's say, 5-6% debentures account. But as you are not issuing it for cash, let's assume 2 lakh, you are giving it to the bank. So in that case, the dummy entry you can give. I repeat, it's a dummy entry, means there will not be any second effect of it. So the dummy entry will be debenture suspense account debit to debentures account. So either write down in exam, if they ask you the entry for debentures issued as a collateral security, write both. Option 1, no entry, it's an event, not a transaction. Option 2, dummy entry. So I'll write it here. dummy entry means there will not be any second effect of it. Debenture suspense account debit instead of bank account debit to debenture account. So in this way, what we have seen in this chapter is how the journal entries are to be given for debentures, and many of the times, as we know, the entries are asked and we get confused. So this is the set of all the journal entries which you should know. And for any details, you can talk to us, you can ask us the difficulties, you can send WhatsApp. So all the contact numbers are given to you. So you can be in touch with us and you can ask further difficulties, or wait for my next video. I'm going to give you the revisions of all important topics like consignment account, final account, company accounts, and whatever is possible. Okay, so be in touch, subscribe our channel, and you will get all the details of the next videos to come. Thank you. Keep learning, keep studying hard, and let's get a good career in future. Thank you.